Oh, what a wonderful morning. Oh, what a wonderful day. Ah, got this great big feeling. Everything's going my way. Ha! Oh, here we are. Yes. Hey, I just wanted to show you something really quick. Hey, see this gate? Now this is not my aunt's gate that I fixed, but see how the latch here has this little spring on it. So that's kind of slick in itself. So when you pull this, it just goes back all by itself because they put this little spring in there. You could do that on your gate, kind of like that. And not that this is about a gate, but they even have this here so that the gate doesn't close back on you if you want to keep it open. Whatever. Okay, it's time to do this little landscape project. We're gonna check out some drip irrigation today, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. That's gonna be coming up. I'm back, and I'm in a backyard, and we're gonna do the drip irrigation. Actually, we're gonna modify an existing drip irrigation system, and I'm only gonna do a little bit of it because I'm gonna show the homeowner how to do some of this stuff on her own. And before we get going, she had her sprinklers on this morning. See where the sprinklers got in the landscaped area and where it didn't? That's because she's got these sprayers on here. We're gonna do something about that. Cause see all this overspray where the water is? No need to do that. That's a waste of water. See where it's dark? That's because the sprayers are getting certain areas, and all you need is for the drip irrigation to hit each bush. See this? Here's a sprayer. We're gonna change that out. And which means what? We've got to put different ends on there. Then we're going to have to loop one to there, one to there. We've got to figure out how to do that, one to that. And we're going to check certain things out in here. And I'm going to get her going because the landscaper wanted to charge her $750 to modify the existing system. Thought nothing doing. So I'm going to show her how to do it herself. Now, one of the things you're going to have to do before you do anything, if you want, you can turn on your sprinkler system, and somewhere in your yard you're going to have all of the gate valves, and she's got the gate valves right over here. She's got this rug over it. I'm not quite sure exactly what that rug was for now. But see, we're going to turn it on by hand. When you see something like this, you don't have to worry about anything other than turning just this one little knob, just this little one. And as you do it, you don't want to unscrew it all the way, just enough to get it on. If you unscrew that all the way, this thing's going to pop off and you're going to lose it. See this type of valve head, there's nowhere else to turn it on. But see this one here? This one's different. There's a handle here, there's a knob there, here's this little one there. That's the one I would unscrew. See? That one. Over here, I would do just that one. See? Then you can tell which system is yours. Now see this over here? Let's just take a quick look. This is getting kind of wet, and I don't want it to get too muddy, but I'm doing this for your benefit, right? See here? Well, that one's okay, because that's going to get this area here. But then you've got these other sprayers. See this little 1/4 inch sprayer? Or this is a 1/2 inch or half reveal. See a moon shaped like that? It's hitting the fence. It's spraying over here. We don't need all that water going all over the place, do we? Because that's wasting our precious resource, and we just don't want that anymore, do we? Where's this one? Ah, look at that. It's getting my camera wet. See? you're going to encourage weed growth too, and you're just wasting a lot of water. Here's another one here. It's spraying all the way out here. It's hitting my hand. Here's a sprayer here. We changed that head to something different. You see how much water we could save? And that's what we're going to work on. And hopefully you're conscious about wasting water as well, and knowing you can do it yourself. Now let's get this water turned off so that we don't get everything too muddy. And then we need to get going on this project. Right? Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So to turn it off, turn it to the right as you're facing it. You may hear it like this for a few seconds. See, it's still on. It's going to shut off here in a minute. There, it's off. I better put it how I found it. That rug back on there. I'm not quite sure what that is for, but you know, c'est la vie. Let's get this show on the road.
Okay.
This is my work project today. Hey, I'm gonna ask you some questions. First off, are you ready for this?
We'll find out.
Huh? I'm gonna ask you here a few questions. I want all the answers, all right?
You got it.
One-line answers. Yes or no. Are you a professional landscaper?
No.
Do you want to save some money on your drip irrigation system?
Yeah.
Do you want to know how to do it yourself?
$700 I want to save.
Oh yeah, $750. But then we had to buy the materials. The materials were like less
$47.
than less than $50. And we're gonna fix some stuff over here. Okay, so do you have any experience doing any of this stuff before?
Only what you showed me so far.
Okay, so but I think you're gonna feel comfortable enough. If I show you how to do this, are you really gonna stay here and get all of this done after I show you what to do? You're not gonna have me come over here every single second to do this and say you don't know how to do it, are you?
No, you got to teach me real good,
okay.
so I feel very confident about what I'm doing.
All right.
And I know you will.
First off, I can tell you, you're gonna need some shoes.
I got them right here.
Okay. Oh,
Here.
those are your garden shoes? All right.
I have others.
Okay.
Do I need back straps on them?
You got, no, I guess you can wear those, but those aren't, you know.
No, I got flats.
You can wear whatever you feel comfortable in.
Let me get it.
Okay. Oh,